Hey everybody, Jacob Siegel here with BGR.com, and we are doing another unboxing video today. We've got the Xbox Series X here, and we're going to take a look at what comes inside the box. It's a pretty nice box, significantly smaller than the PS5 box if you've seen our unboxing video or any others. There's all the specs for the Xbox, if you can see that, and a nice photo of Master Chief in Halo Infinite, which will not be coming out this year anymore, delayed to 2021. But regardless, let's get to the box opening, if I can manage that. Stickers here at the bottom. That's a pretty nice setup. So can't really see much to start with, but looks like straight to the box, unlike the PS5, which had the stuff at the top. I take that back. There's all the accessories. Let's start with the controller. Also, unlike the PS5, the Xbox controller is pretty much the same design here as the Xbox One controller. A little bit of a different shape to it maybe, but really it's some of these buttons on the front. And the D-pad has changed a little bit, but there's the controller. We've also got power cord here, the HDMI cable, and product and regulatory guide. Very exciting. Okay, that looks like everything. And now for the console itself, which is, wow, that is heavy. It's heavier than I thought it was going to be. PS5 is enormous, but not the heaviest console. Well, it is very heavy also, but this console is a more normal size, the Series X. Still pretty weighty. And there we have the Series X. Just jump out of the way. So yeah, it's a giant rectangle, as you can see. Pretty unassuming at first glance. There's the front with the disk drive. Looks like a single USB. The button to connect controllers, and the power button up here. The top is pretty fascinating looking, with all the holes in it. It's kind of interesting. I'm not sure I knew how much of an effect that would have, that sort of 3D depressed effect that it's got. As for the back of the console, see two more USB ports, the Ethernet port, power, HDMI out, and the storage expansion, which is maybe the biggest deal of all, because the PS5 actually has the storage expansion inside. You have to take the cover off of the PS5 in order to expand the storage, but for the Xbox, you just pop in one of those $220 1 terabyte NVMe SSD external drives that you can get. I think they are now available. But yeah, that is the Series X. Got a stand on the bottom, as you can see, for people who want to stand it vertical, and if you want to put it horizontal, it's got little rubber stoppers here to put it down horizontally. And that's pretty much it for the Series X box. So some instructions to get started, how to put the controller in. Hopefully there's no super important codes on here that I'm missing. And other than that, I believe that's it. That's everything in the box. So, pretty simple. Not nearly as complicated as all the PlayStation stuff, but that is the Xbox Series X unboxing. So thank you for checking out our coverage. We will have more coverage on BGR.com in the days and weeks ahead. So be sure to check that out, and thanks for watching this video.